Dang, car crew, bro. Literally, bro. I was just finna say something. These lights were just off. Like, these lights were just off, cuz he had just turned them on. I already had the camera out, but I ain't hit record yet. I was just finna say, dang, that boy got it dark out here. But the lights just came on right on time. Anyway, man. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Kari Beats, man. Back with a POV, as y'all can see. But we on the outside right now. And the only reason why I'm on the outside, bro, because I wanted to show y'all boys something that I did today that I didn't want to do. But as y'all can see, y'all know y'all get tired when y'all see these marks right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm brand new, you feel me? Like, nigga, look, like, nigga put it in your hand. Like, yeah, man, nigga go brand new tires on the back, cuz I had some 305s ain't work, bro. I spent some money today I did not want to spend, cuz, like, and a whole lot of back and forth and wasting my time, bro. I was supposed to be recording all day today while the sun was up, bro. I had to do other stuff, you feel me? Like, ripping and running with this jump, man, but we got some new tires, bro. Whatever. Niggas spent a little blow by that cheese, though, bro. Cause that was a couple $100 I could have kept, you know what I'm saying? That I wasn't trying to spend, bro. I was just trying to put tires on that I already had, and they wasn't working out. So, but yeah, also, man, y'all see, you know what I'm saying? Yes, indeed, we had a new and improved, you feel me? Ooh. Trim lights, and they not the cheap one. Them the Flow series, you feel me? They do flow, but the settings they got for the Flow series trash. I can't pick the colors I want, but I'll show y'all how they flow and all that. But yeah, man. Anyway, I've been talking too long already. I'm gonna give y'all boys a little start up, bro. It's so cold outside, man. Oh, get the keys out your pocket, pimp. Don't look at my hand either, nigga. Been working hard today. But also, if you're wondering why I had to buy some tires, if you didn't watch my last video, go watch my last video. You know what I'm saying? Where the nigga was going, you know what I'm saying? So I'll go watch that last video for Christmas, bro. You know what I'm saying? And then you'll know why I had to get some tires. But yeah, man. Oh, I forgot the music, man. Yeah, cause we finna just do a little nighttime POV drive, man. I ain't gonna talk too much as far as when I'm driving and making the car whine and stuff, bro. You know, I'm gonna let y'all boys enjoy that. My bad, y'all, boy. I'm trying to get right. I'm gonna let y'all boys enjoy that. You feel me? And then we're just gonna get straight to it. But yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hold on, if you are new. Man, we got new tires on. Should I do it? Should I turn off the traction? You know what I'm saying? That's on sport. We'll leave it in sport. We ain't gonna go too. We just got them. Cause he gonna last though, cargo. I ain't gonna lie. I never bought a brand new tires ever on my car. Besides me buying a brand new car with brand new tires. You feel me? That was the only time me actually buying, well, brand new tires for myself. I done bought brand new tires for, you know what I'm saying, somebody else, but not for myself specifically. So, with that being said, yeah, I ain't never did it until right now. It still was a good price, better than most, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, and I got it down here, you know what I'm saying, you can see. But you know, it was better than, you go like discount tire or something, but still though, gang. That joint insane. And it's very windy today, bro. I'm trying to get y'all to hear that whine, but we're gonna see. But yeah, now I basically got stock tires on my car. Like, this what the car come with. These size tires. Just probably not this big of a sidewall. But yeah. There's a Corvette in front of me too. Corvette, riding in the motherfucker like that. Y'all remember that, bro? Hey man, why you talk like that? Why you walk like that? Why you talk like that? Ugly. Oh, he turning. Look at him. But yeah, car crew, very windy, very cold, very much cold. Oh man, I don't know what been going on over here, man, but it been like this every time I come past it, bro. Why is the screen? Oh, we straight. No, stop. I mean, I'm talking about the camera, y'all, boy. My fault. Trying to get that mother a little more, more appealing, nigga. Bro, the lighting, the interior lighting in Challengers is so trash, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, that junk, like, it don't point at nothing but the gear shifter and a cup holder. Like, bro, I need light over here, cuz. Like, they need a little swivel lights or something where you can point it. Like how the Dodge Journey got. I know y'all know what that is. Half of y'all kinfolk got one of them. Oh man, there's a lot of traffic as y'all boy can clearly see. So I guess I'm gonna have to just start turning up just to make this video do what it need to do. Yes sir, yes sir. But yeah, man. I mean, I don't know, man. I do not know, brother. But yeah, car crew. I mean, hey, I really just got like, what do you call it, like a brain fart just then. But yeah, cuz we here, we outside. It's cold. You know what I'm saying? Ambient lighting going on. Tell me how y'all like the ambient lighting on Rich Up. Tell me how y'all like the camera right now. It's like it's kind of a little dark, but it's the right dark because I got lights going on. You feel me? And these lights super bright, by the way. I got them turned down though, but these must get stupid bright, boy. Like, oh, I only think I put these on white to see if they turn white. That's the only color I don't think I looked at. That ain't yellow and orange. Oh, hello there. Oh, y'all niggas just still coming, huh? All right. I probably was spinning right there. It don't feel like it, but I probably was. It just sounded like it was. If you know, you know. I ain't riding on stock size tires. Let's see what it was. Okay, let's see. This is how the cat was supposed to be when I first got it. But it came with Nittos, you know what I'm saying? 305. But now we on 275. Brand new tie. You know what I'm saying? Virgin tie. Never been. Very, very nice grip. Ugly. Stick 'em. Oh, yeah. Kind of what I expected. Kind of what I expected. She a little, you know what I'm saying? She a virgin. She a little scary. You know what I mean? She a little scary, that's all. Can y'all even hit a wine, bro? Comment down below if y'all can hit a wine, whatever timestamp this is. Dang. This mother getting up, though. Hold up, though. Scarlett love that cold weather, nigga. She love that cold air. Cause I get hot easily, bro. So, you know, I like being cool. Feel me? So me and her kind of, you know what I'm saying? We won. We united. Feel me? Cause she like the cold. I like to be cold. not that kind of cold, you know what I'm saying? I don't like just sweating, you feel me? Like, who like to really just sweat? Because you ain't, like, having a reason to sweat, you know what I'm saying? You just standing up sweating. You trying to eat sweating. You feel me? Don't want to do that, man. Don't want to do none of that, dog. Oh, yeah, that mother... That mother driving like a cat now, boy. That bitch got a little grip, but not much. 275, they talking about nothing. Well, not in second gear anyway. We can see what third gear talking about. You know what I'm saying? That's a little less torquey. You can see what third gear talking about. Let's see. Oh yeah, third gear straight. Oh yeah. Oh, anybody want to do a roll, nigga? Third gear, we on that. Third gear, we on that, cuz. All right, too much noise. We got the jail. Too much noise going on. That window was blowing, the sunroof going crazy. Oh, it's a Tesla. What do you want to do? I don't want to do that though. What's up? What's up? I know y'all boys hear that thing, man. Come on, man. But yeah, not gonna be a wrap though, man. I'm gonna end the video off with merging onto the highway. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know how y'all like the ambient lighting though. I had to. It's actually ugly in the daytime because I had to do it because I don't know why, bro. The Challengers, like the curve they got right here, bro. That jump messed up the trim line. See, died. I was gonna say died. I'm tripping. Duh. Chargers, theirs is flat all the way across. You know what I'm saying? So it's easier. Like you ain't gotta do all that. You know what I'm saying? Bending or whatever like that for them to get right. But you know what I'm saying? We made it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? You can see it. And it wasn't even long enough like I thought it was gonna be. But let's see something though. With the wind. Hold on. Get out my way, boy! Y'all boy get a little highway action too. With the brand new tires on, them mother feel like Muhammad Ali, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Well, them must too smooth, boy. Damn. So then what these white boys be feeling like? They be getting these brand new tires. Do what y'all niggas be feeling like, huh? That way y'all be like, oh nah, brother, I don't burn any rubber or any kind of smoke coming off my tires, brother. Cause them mother feel, you know what I'm saying, fantastic. Like look at that, mother. Look at that, man. But let me chill out, though. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap, man, for tonight's video, man. Make sure y'all boys, hold on. Being rude. Make sure y'all boys hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Also, my bad, my car keep crying. But I don't know why she keep crying. I'm trying to end the video and she just keep on like, alright, bro. Anyway, man, make sure I hit that like button like I said, man. For all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up in everything that you do. And he will direct your path, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta let him direct your path, you feel me? Keep him first and just try your best, bro, just to be a better version of you, man. Be more like him, you know what I'm saying? Believe in him, but also obey him. You know what I'm saying? Real talk, it's hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say and never tell y'all it's easy, you know what I'm saying? Like, no cap. Like, some folk try to make everything sound gravy, like, you know what I'm saying? That's why people be like, man, I don't believe them, bro. They always just saying they good. It ain't always good, cuz. Promise you it ain't, but not even the slightest. But I'm saying, though, you gotta be strong. That's the whole point. The whole point of being strong, car crew. Do it on real time. See if you're gonna make it. You know what I'm saying? See if you're gonna pass that test. It's just like going to the next grade, bro. Nigga, you ain't passing that end of the year test, that CRCT, nigga, for the old head. Then nigga, you ain't ready. You know what I'm saying? But that's the same thing, bro. Same thing. But anyway, man, like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here. Like yesterday,